How do you build solutions that companies use? Our focus is to help you reach your goals. We develop software solutions to improve organizational processes and efficiencies so you can work on growing your business and serving your customers. Creating great software takes a mixture of technical excellence and clear communication. We strive to deliver innovative and affordable solutions. Our company is creative, innovative, resourceful, and knowledgeable. We are a group of passionate technologists who love what we do. We think outside the box and develop creative solutions perfectly tailored to your needs and goals. We strive for high-quality deliverables with intuitive user interfaces that are aesthetically pleasing, efficient, scalable, and secure. We provide a wide range of software development, online marketing, IT consultancy, and web hosting services. We can help you with virtualizing your IT in the cloud, building blockchain-based solutions using smart contracts, helping you build better products, natural language services using Google Voice and Amazon Echo, advising you on your go-to market strategy, help your social media marketing, and help you keep more of what you make. We take on challenging projects that others may not attempt to do. Customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. Take a look at our testimonials. Compex, your computer experts. Let us know how we can help. Click here to contact us.